Tara. Welcome back to my channel, Brave Diva Nails. Tonight I have an amazing swatch for you guys. This is from Night Owl Lacquer. Oh, look at it. Night Owl Lacquer, and it is called Gone to My Happy Place. Again, I apologize in advance for my camera and what it may or may not do with this blue polish. Okay, how do you get your hands on this beauty? There is a Facebook group called Indie Positivity, and I will put the link in the description box below, of course. If you guys ever have any questions, look in there. First of all, there is a fly in my salon right now, and I'm really hoping, I'm really hoping he doesn't make an appearance. Get out of here. Shoo. Okay, I apologize. There is a Facebook group called Indie Positivity. It's comprised of makers, customers, anyone who loves indie polish, nail art, you know, yada yada. And it was created by Taylor, who is the maker for Wildflower Lacquer. And Taylor created the Indie Positivity group to do just that, to just shed positive light on the indie community, the indie world. It's a total drama-free zone, so save it for Oprah, honey. Save it for Oprah, girl. But every month, Taylor's sort of rounding up a different indie maker and spotlighting that brand for that month. So August is Lindsay's brand, Night Owl Lacquer, and her custom for the Indie Positivity group, again, Gone to My Happy Place. This is gorgeous going into fall, of course, but honestly, it is beautiful year round. Now, let me give you the tea for, according to Lindsay, here's the info for how to order, when to order, yada yada. This will release on August the 3rd at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. Okay, that is 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Pacific. I should not have to tell y'all the time zones, honestly. But I just did because I'm a nice person. So this will be $11 to get all of this beauteousness. Of course, the shipping is not included in that price. So this is 11 bucks. It is available August the 3rd, pardon me, 7 p.m. Mountain through September the 3rd at midnight, I assume, Mountain Time. So you have an entire month to shop this beauty. Gone to my happy place. And this stinking fly is really about to get it. He's about to get my whole fist right now. Okay, this, Lindsay describes Gone to My Happy Place as a cobalt blue base with lots of red, green, gold, shifting aurora shimmer. You guys can really see that aurora in there. Oh, gorgeous. And red, copper, gold UCC flakies and charcoal micro flakies. I'm just pausing right now to look at this bottle because I'm not really sure if I can see, and I'm sorry for blinding y'all. I'm not really sure, and even on the nail, I'm not certain. It's kind of hard to tell if the dark spots that I'm seeing are the charcoal micro flakies or if they are just sort of like a dark side of one of the UCC flakies. But anyway, that is what is all packed into this lovely polish. Now, I'm about to get down and dirty with my swatches, but I wanted to let you guys know, first of all, this polish builds so beautifully. And you're going to see in the video, which I'm about to start in about 2 minutes, you'll see in the swatch. For these videos, first of all, I usually do these 3 nails first, and then on camera, I'll do these. So by the time I get to my index nail, I've worked with it, you know, a few times. Oh, pardon that jankiness. I've worked with this polish, so by the time I get to this, I can sort of show you guys if I have to manipulate it a certain way. First of all, the flakies, there's no manipulation at all. They come out, you're not digging around for them. They are loud and proud, and you have no problem. They just fly onto the brush and onto the nail. That's the first thing that I want to tell you, is that this thing builds up so beautifully. So you're going to see the first coat, very sheer. This is a jelly base. It is very squishy. It is very yummy. I just want to squish it. So there is a jelly base. So it's going to go on sheer. You're going to have to build it up. But you don't have to if you don't want to. So you're going to see as I build, I put on, I'm trying to think of what I did. I did sort of a combination of medium thick coats, which is my usual go-to, and also thin coats as well. I want to say I did a total of 4 coats on each of these, but that's just because I wanted to see it build up. I didn't necessarily need 4 coats to get full opacity, but you may. I don't know. Y'all probably know by now I have a hella visible nail line. My VNL is in your face, and most of the time I need either super thick coats or several, which is a pain in the butt. However, you can go sheerer, you know, try it over a white base, you know, if you want to keep this blue bright. I do think that on my nail, it's reading a smidge darker than it is in real life, but it's still, oh, hello, fly. He's on my tripod. I hate him. I do believe it's showing on camera a little bit deeper on camera than it is in real life, but even in the bottle, like from the nail, and I'm looking at this in like live, even in the bottle, it looks a little bit brighter, like not as deep as what's on the nail. And again, blues are terrible for the camera. I apologize. So I'm probably not going to know what y'all are seeing. Well, I really won't know what y'all are seeing until I start to edit this video. But my swatch photos, I will try my dangdest to be absolutely true to color. So let's run through the deets again, and then I will hop off of here, get to swatching, and show you guys my swatch photos at the end of the video. So August the 3rd, 7 p.m. Mountain Time through September the 3rd at midnight. Price is 11 bucks. Again, let's run through the ingredients. Cobalt blue base with lots of red, green, gold shifting Aurora shimmer. And if you guys don't know what Aurora shimmer is, it's sort of like the stepsister of the unicorn pigments, the UP pigments from a few years ago, and that some makers are bringing back. And they're super expensive. I don't even think you can get unicorn pigments anymore. But the indie gods gave us Aurora pigments to sort of like replace, but it still gives you that same shiftiness that is in the original unicorn pigments. Okay, so I want to show you guys the shiftiness, because again, I just described all of this shiftiness in super bright lighting. I mean, yeah, you know, it looks okay here in the bright lights, but in super bright lighting, some of that shiftiness may be lost. So bear with me while I turn off one lampy lamp. Oh, I'm sorry, I turned off the wrong lamp. God, this is why I can't have nice things, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this lamp and I'm gonna angle this light down. So let me zoom, zoom, and a boom, boom. Okay, are you guys seeing this? I really hope, I hope you are. I see, and again, I'm looking through the, my little camera screen here. I see copper, like the copper Aurora pigment, or I guess the green in the, the gold in the Aurora pigment. And then right here on this index nail, you see that? Oh, you see that copper UCC flaky? And again, if you shift it in a different light, and hopefully in my swatch photos, I will be able to also pick up, because there is a lot of green in here, which I'm not seeing a whole heck of a lot right now in the low lighting, but the green, oh, trust me, it is there. You guys, there is so much going on here. Look at this bold bastard. Look at him. Look at him. Phew. Oh, okay. Sorry. Please join us in Indie Positivity, the group on Facebook. Again, I'll have it linked below. Join us. Okay, stay tuned. Here we go. Let's get to painting.